So today at MJ's Audio and Auto, we have a GMC Envoy. I believe it's a 2004. We're doing a rack and pinion. And per the instructions, oh, my light just turned off on me. My phone died, so I'm gonna have to make this video quick. Bro, can you give me some assistance with the light, please? You can hold the light from the front with a wheel at. My light on my camera just shut off because I'm going dead. Alright folks, so bear with me. It's kind of dark. But these are the two lines for the power steering that will go into the rack and pinion. And on this setup, it's not two individual lines. They are together on a plate. That plate has an 8mm bolt in the middle. And the instructions say that you have to take the axle off to get to this assembly, but you don't. So if you go back just a tad, you'll see the axle right here. All you go do is go from the back side of the axle. So I put it right here through the bottom of the control arm from the back side of the axle to create a straight path. All you'll need is a long 8. I have a extension, a 3/8 extension, like a 6-inch, 8-inch maybe, and a reducer to take that 3/8 to a quarter. Standard ratchet. I also have a cordless ratchet, but for the demonstration, I'll show you a regular one. Back to the lines we go. And give me a second to line this up. I know it ain't gonna look right now, but there we go. Just that quick. So, like I said, you're just going over the axle. So you'll be coming from the side that's closest to the bumper and go over the axle, and that'll connect you straight to the 8. And once you get to the 8, just crank her slow, let it go. They also have seals that's supposed to go into the new rack and pinion, which is very weird because they're not O-rings. They're like almost like the rubber fittings that go inside of the new tool or the new rack to make sure no sediments or anything get inside. Similar to that, you put those in. What we did, we mounted the rack back to the frame and put the steering shaft back on and left this to be the next to last step. And we put those gaskets in, and you just got to seat them flush with the body of the rack. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah, this part right here. Once you sit them inside and they flush, you'll just take the lines and push them in there. Once you push them in there enough for the tip of the line to catch, you should have enough clearance to start that bolt going through that hole. And once you start threading the bolt through the hole, it's like the bolt will press the seals onto the lines, and then everything is sealed together. That's it. Hope this helps you. Have a nice day. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. I'm going to try to get back into sharing my videos. Thanks for the like, bro.